Skin problems have been on the rise in recent times due to changing lifestyle, air pollution, and other reasons. Complications range from a variety of problems, from diseases to skin cancer. It is the skin that helps to remove waste from our body, keep body temperature equal, and protect the body from external problems. Let's find out about such skin function, its problems, diseases, precautions to be taken to protect it, etc. It is the skin that protects the body. In fact, skin is a protective shield that completely covers our body and constantly protects it. The largest organ in our body is the skin. It is an integrated system of hair, nails, glands, and neurotransmitters. The total skin weight on the body of an adult is 2.7 kg. Scientists at the University of Pennsylvania Health System have estimated that it covers an area of about 1.7 square meters. The tissue in the membrane of the skin is constantly changing. Clive Clinic clinicians in the United States have revealed that new tissue forms in the epidermis in about 27 days. How does the skin work? How does it work? The skin that completely covers the body acts as waterproof to prevent water from penetrating into the body. Also protects against infections. The National Institute of Health in the United States states that keratin, fibrous protein, lipids, other minerals and chemicals in the skin make it waterproof. The glands in the skin cleanse the blood as it flows through the skin. The skin plays a key role in regulating body temperature. As the body temperature rises, it cools down by secreting more sweat. Controlling perspiration when water levels in the body are low can help prevent dehydration. The skin contains receptors that detect pain, stress, etc. Based on them we get a tactile feeling. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, skin protects the body from bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms. Almost all types of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms cannot enter the body through healthy skin. When the body is injured and the skin is cut, the microbes can enter the body only through that wound. The skin stores water, fat, and vitamin D in the body. Melanin, keratin, and hemoglobin cause discoloration of the skin and hair. The epidermis contains melanin. The more it is produced, the darker the skin color. The skin is white if produced sparingly. Some people do not fully produce melanin and keratin in their skin, so their skin and hair are completely white. A similar condition is called albinism. People with this condition are called albinos. Epidermis. The epidermis is the top layer of skin. This layer, which is 1/10 of a millimeter thick, contains no blood vessels or glands. It is made up of cells called keratinocytes in 40 to 50 rows. These keratinocytes produce the keratin protein. It is a fibrous waterproof protein. Nails and hair also contain this protein. The epidermis also contains melanocyte cells. They produce a protein called melanin. This melanin is what makes our skin color. If the skin is high in melanin, the skin will be black. If the melanin is low, it will be white. Dermis, middle skin. The layer under the epidermis is called the dermis. It again consists of two sub-layers. One of these is with loose tissue and the other with tight tissue. Both of these layers also have elastic properties. The vessels that supply blood to our skin and the ends of the nerves that sense touch are in these layers. Sweat glands, oil glands, and hair follicles are located in these layers. Hypodermis, subcutaneous layer. The layer below the skin is called the hypodermis. This is what gives strength and support to our skin. In a way, it is a layer of fat. This membrane contains the major blood vessels, the lymphatic vessels, that supply blood to the skin. When it is cold outside, the heat inside the body does not go out. When it is hot outside, that heat does not radiate inside the body. This fat layer acts as insulation. Not only that, but this hypodermis membrane is also the reason why our skin stays smooth without wrinkles. As we age, the amount of fat stored under the skin decreases and the skin wrinkles. Skin problems have been on the rise in recent times. Many people suffer from psoriasis, vitiligo, tinea versicolor, and skin cancer, in addition to common problems such as pimples, scars, pimples, darkening of the skin, flaking, dry scaling, and severe cracking of the skin. Changing lifestyles, pollution, genetic problems, microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, exposure to ultraviolet rays and radiation can all cause skin problems and diseases.